The strongest power a government has isn't the military, it's fear. Not fear of the government itself, that's too obvious. Real power is when people fear each other, when the news convinces you your neighbor is a terrorist, when you're more scared of what your community might do than what your government already did. That's not authorities, that's control. Governments are built on control, but people don't revolt because they're afraid of their leaders. They revolt when they're afraid of living like this forever. It's like being a kid. You're scared of doing something wrong, not because you respect your parents, but because you don't want a beating. That's not respect. That's survival. Eventually, you either break or you break free. War is the biggest business on earth. It sells death and calls it defense. One country attacks another, kills people, destroys homes, rapes, steals, then comes back later offering help to rebuild what they broke and sends the bill to the broken. That's war. It's not about good versus evil. It's about money, jobs, and political chess. Arms dealers, military contracts, oil, news ratings, all of it gets a boost. War doesn't create peace. It creates paychecks. Sure, some. Wars start with revolution. Oppressed people rising up. But eventually, even those become just another business move. New faces, same old system. Who are they? They are the invisible hand that always seems to be touching your life. Their governments, their corporations, their religious groups. Sometimes they're all the same thing. They decide what's news, what's banned, what's trending, what's taboo. They have money and power and secrets, and the only thing stronger than their influence is your belief that you can't do anything about it. But here's the twist. They need you more than you need them. Without us, they're just rich. People with no one to sell to. Currency money used to be gold. Now it's a number on a screen. We trade our time, energy, and even our dignity. For what? For green paper that means nothing unless everyone else agrees it does. You think the dollar's strong because America's rich? Nah, the dollar's strong because people believe in it. Currency is faith with a price tag. Inflation, exchange, rates, markets, it's all smoke and mirrors unless you understand the one real truth. Money is power because we treat it like God. America, Republicans and Democrats. People love to hate America, even Americans. But here's the truth. America cares. Not about every person, but about preserving itself. Democrats try to fix the inside. Republicans focus on the outside. One's peace, one's profit. Without both, the country would collapse. You think America is the land of freedom? Amsterdam has more freedoms. You think it's the land of justice? Ask any poor person of color how that's working out. But you also think it's the land of opportunity. That part's true, if you know how to hustle. And if you don't, someone else will do it for you and sell it back to you with a flag on it. Here's where I lose some of you and gain others. There are truths, and then there are truths that scare people too much to say out loud. Like how a building hit from the top doesn't collapse from the bottom, or how thousands of people from one background didn't show up for work that day, or how convenient it was when America was about to lose control, to suddenly have a reason to control again. Believe what you want, but know this, governments lie, all of them, and when the lie is big enough, people call it patriotism. To where are we? The world copies America, even while hating it. The clothes, the slang, the music, the chaos. Everyone wants a taste, but America is just a mirror. It reflects what people really want, even if they don't admit it. Freedom. Fame, escape. The streets aren't made of gold, Aris, but the hustle is. And anyone can walk those streets. What you do with it, though, that's on you.